Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a Google Apps script project because new Google Sites does not accept arbitrary client JS. Open script. Google.com, make a new project, then add an HTML file named index or similar. In code, GS write a simple do-get that returns your HTML via HTML service. Create HTML output from file. Do this now so you can host dynamic code under a secure HTTPS URL. Once done, you'll deploy a web app that sites can embed safely and consistently. Next, structure your HTML and supporting JS/CSS files inside AppScript so the page is self-contained or loads resources you control. Go to Deploy, choose New Deployment, pick Web App, set Execute as Me and Who Has Access. Anyone or anyone with link, this ensures sites can load it. Deploy and authorize required scopes. Copy the generated HTTPS web app URL and open it in a new tab to verify the page renders and scripts run. Make corrections and redeploy if something fails. Finally, open your Google site in the editor and choose Insert, then Embed. Paste the web app HTTPS URL, or if needed, use embed code with a simple iframe tag pointing to that URL so the content shows inline. Resize the box, publish the site, and open the published page to confirm scripts run inside the iframe. If it doesn't load, make sure the web app is deployed for anyone, execute as is correct, and that you redeployed after changes. Those permissions are the most common issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.